Welcome to the second plant profile episode. In April 2015, we visited the Elofic plant in Faridabad on the outskirts of Delhi. Elofic is one of India's largest filter manufacturing companies, producing a complete range of filters and lubricants. With a legacy spanning over 70 years, a workforce of more than 1,200 professionals across 6 state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities in Faridabad, which is in the state of Haryana, Nalagarh in the state of Himachal Pradesh, and Hosur in the state of Tamil Nadu in India, and a global clientele consisting of Fortune 1000 blue chip corporations. Elofic is a brand that inspires trust. Elofic offers the following filtration and lubrication products: oil filters, air filters, fuel filters, hydraulic filters, coolants, and lubricants and grease.